Given the points A0, B minus A0 and C 0 A root 3. So distance formula square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Look at the length of AB is briefly AB1 to A is x1 y1 and B is x2 y2. So to compare the points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. So square root of x2 minus x1, x2 minus a minus x1 a whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, y2 0, y1 0. So 0 minus 0 whole square. Square root of minus a minus 2a whole square. Then square root remove, that equal cancel the next step. So square root of minus 2a whole square, that is equal square root of minus 2a whole square is equal 4a square. Square root 4 is 2, a square root a. So the AB length is 2a and length of BC. To compare, B is x1 y1 and C is x2 y2. Use the distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 0 minus x1 minus a whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 a root 3 minus y1 0 whole square. That is equal to square root of 0 minus plus a. So 0 plus a. So a square plus a root 3 minus 0 is a root 3 and next whole square. So a square root 3 square. Root 3 square is 3 and a square. 3a square plus a square is equal 4a square. That is equal 2a. And length of AC. To compare, A is x1 y1 and C is x2 y2. A x1 y1 and C x2 y2. So use the formula x2 minus x1. So x2 0, x1 a. 0 minus a whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 a root 3 minus 0 whole square, that is equal square root of 0 minus a square is equal to a square. A root 3 minus 0 is equal a root 3. That's square value is equal root 3 square is equal to and a square, that is equal square root of a square plus 3a square 4a square. That is equal 2a. You can observe length of AB is equal to a and length of BC is equal to a and length of AC is equal to a. That means the three sides is equal to a. So AB bar is equal BC bar is equal CA bar, that is equal to 2a. Then ABC is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Another problem. First one. Name the type of quadrilateral here. -1, -2, 1, 0, -1, 2, and -3, 0. Length of four sides. So look at A. -1, -2. And B 0 and C minus 1 2 and D minus 3 0. Length of AB, length of four sides. First side length of AB to A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. To compare the points, square root of x2 minus x1. So 1 minus minus 1. 1 minus minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. 0 minus minus 2 whole square. That is equal square root of 1 minus minus plus. So 1 plus 1 2. 2 square is 4. 0 minus minus plus. So 0 plus 2 2. 2 square 4. 4 plus 4 8. So root 8. And next one, length of BC. To compare, B is x1 y1 and C is x2 y2. To compare B x1 y1 and C x2 y2 is the formula square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. So x2 minus 1 x1 1. So minus 1 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 2 y1 0. So 2 minus 0 whole square. That is equal minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 square is equal 4. Plus 2 square is equal 4. 4 plus 4 is equal 8. So root 8. And next one, length of CA. Length of CA. To compare, C is x1 y1 and D is x2 y2. So length of CD that equal square root of x2 minus x1, x2 minus 3 minus x1 minus 1 whole square. y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 0, y1 2. So 0 minus 2 whole square. That is equal square root of minus 3 minus minus plus 1. So minus 3 plus 1 is equal minus 2 square. 0 minus 2 whole square is equal minus 2 square. That is equal square root of minus 2 square 4 plus minus 2 square 4. That equal root 8. And last one, length of AD. To compare A x1 y1 and D x2 y2. Use the same distance formula. Substitute the values. x2 minus x1. So x2 minus 3, x1 minus 1. So minus 3 minus minus 1 whole square. Plus y2 minus y1. So y2 0 minus y1 is minus 2 whole square. That is equal square root of minus 3 minus minus plus. So minus 3 plus 1 is equal minus 2 whole square plus minus minus plus 2. So 2 square minus 2 square is equal 4 and plus 4 2 square is equal 4. 4 plus 4 is equal 8. So root 8. So that AB, BC, CD and AD, that four sides are equal. The value is root 8. And next one, two diagonals lengths. To find two diagonals lengths. First diagonal AC. First diagonal AC.
ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಅಂತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ.
First diagonal AC. To compare, A equal to x1 by 1 and C equal to x2 by 2. So root of x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 minus 1, x1 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 whole square. Plus y2 2, y1 is also minus 2. So 2 minus 2 whole square. That equal square root of 1 minus 2 minus a plus. So minus 1 plus 1 0. 0 square is equal 0. Plus 2 minus 2 minus a plus. So 2 plus 2 is equal 4. 4 square. That equal to root 16 is equal 4. And next another diagonal BD. To compare B is x1 y1 and D is x2 y2. So B x1 y1 and D x2 y2. So x2 minus x1 minus 3 minus 1. Minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 0, y1 0. 0 minus 0 whole square. That is equal minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. Square root of minus 4 whole square plus 0. That equal to root 16 is equal 4. You can observe that 4 sides are equal. So AB bar is equal BC bar is equal CD bar equal AD bar. And two diagonals are equal. AC equal BD. AC equal BD. Then all sides equal and diagonals are equal. So is a square. All sides equal and two diagonals are equal. Then this quadrilateral is a square. And next remaining second problem. Remaining second problem and third problem B and C is to get practice. Second one, check whether isosceles triangle. So let the first points A, B, C, the length of AB and length of BC and length of AC to find three lengths. If any two lengths are equal and another length is not equal, so it is called isosceles triangle. And next BC to find four sides and two diagonals each. Four sides and two diagonals. That some conditions are before explained. Four sides equal and diagonals equal a square. Four sides equal, diagonals not equal is a rhombus. Opposite pair sides equal and diagonals equal is a rectangle. Opposite pairs equal and diagonals not equal is a parallelogram. So four sides and two diagonals are to find out. Then name the type of quadrilateral to write. To homework, second problem and third BC. And next tomorrow coordinate geometry.